What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I can't believe that I'm having this many freaking technical difficulties. I really hate dealing with technology sometimes because I get really passionate in my videos and it comes through in like a couple of takes. But then by the last take, the take you may see, I might be like 4 or 5 shots in because I try and do a continuous shot and don't have to do any edits or anything like that because that's the easiest way for me to upload now, with the family and all that stuff. So it's pissing me off because this is, I don't even know, I can't even count how many times I did this, but I put my all into the last time that I recorded, no audio and no visual on the screen. So I don't know what's going on here, but I hope that things can go through because I see the audio and we will definitely check to see if there will be video feed that feeds to my screen. But anyways, that's a me problem, not a you problem. Thank you for listening to that. But we're going to get into Loopring in this video. I think Loopring, we're all wondering exactly what's going on. And the reason why we're wondering what's going on is because everything's falling, right? You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Loopring, Farmcoin, Gitcoin, all of these coins that are falling, that are getting to places where people started investing at. I started investing in Gitcoin at $7. It's now at $7, right? I started investing at, in Loopring. That was at like $1.50, but I did the boatload of it above $2. So obviously getting back to this level, I still want to consistently buy more, continually buy more. So seeing all of this, it's really bringing everybody to kind of panic and trying to understand what's going on if Loopring is dead, and that's not the case. It's not. So we're going to get into the detail of Loopring, some exciting news that we get into when we get into Loopring. Also looking at some of the detail of what did happen today, my overall opinion. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's merely just my opinion. I'm sorry this intro is so long. You're probably like, get to the freaking stuff. Get to all of the Loopring data right now. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Definitely check out some of my channels and also check out my Twitch, guys. If you haven't checked out my Twitch, please do so because I put my all into the streaming and I would love to be able to get support in YouTube and in Twitch. Anyways, that's enough of me talking. Hopefully you made it through all that, but we can talk about Loopring. I said that's enough of me talking, like I'm going to stop talking in the video and just remain quiet. Anyways, look, here's Loopring. It's at $2.30 right now. It's in the past hour, it's up about 0.4%. That's in the past hour, right? You did see it go down to a really low. If you look at the last day, right, we're going to see that low of $2.18. That's pretty low, and that's definitely a great buying point, but it's down about 9% in the last day. It's down 31% in the last week, and it's up 430% in the last month. So either way, in the last month, you're still up quite a bit. Where I invested in it, or initially invested in that at $1.50, I'm up on that, but I did invest in a lot at, some of the higher points, somewhere closer to 250, 270, things like that. But yeah, you can see that today it's down it's down 10%. You look at the volume, that's down about 12%. The popularity is down as well. That has decreased to 32 in popularity. Also, the trading activity is 50% buy, 55% buy versus 45% selling. 45% buying versus 55% selling. Sorry, I said that backwards. But yeah, I mean, all in all, it looks like it's a horrible decision, that everything's going downhill and all of your questions are kind of validated, saying, hey, should I sell the position? You're basically telling yourself by looking at the data saying, yeah, I should sell the position. But if you did that right now and you sold all of your position right now, and you bought in at $4, you're basically showing right now that you are ready to accept a ton of failure while other people are starting to get into the position. This is not a Loopring issue that we're noticing. This is a overall market issue that's pulling back. And it's mainly because you have large holders pulling out of positions, maybe 5% of their position when they hold billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. And they're scaring other people out of their position, which creates more of a negative impact while they get in at these lows and then ride it on the way up. So then they end up making more money because they made money from these highs. So this is what we're really seeing here. It's not anything to where you have a bunch of retail holders that are deciding to get out of their position. You only have people that are scared of what the big money or smart money did by pulling out their money, manipulating the market, having the price go down, having people bring the price further, them investing in at the lows, and then waiting for that to go back up, and then do it all over again. Really, that's what they want to do, right? This isn't anything to basically say that the overall crypto market is collapsing. It is sort of concerning when you see 2 days in a row that have decreased quite a bit, and you're seeing all of your original cost basis is really being hit. But it's definitely something that we can take and say this might be the start to where this really grows. I don't know why I wanted to say the start of something new, like it's High School Musical, but whatever. This is definitely the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. I don't know why I just did that. Anyways, I wanted to look into this article here. It's basically talking about Loopring and the 61.3 million LRC that's basically triggering all this speculation for the GameStop NFT marketplace. I'm messing up all over the place, but this is staying in the cut. I'm not redoing this, so we're gonna have to deal with it. um, but this is like, I don't know, this is like my 8th time recording it. But basically, it's you're looking at all this speculation because of this 61.3 million LRC. And it's definitely interesting to me because on November 16th, which was 2 days ago, you had that transaction of 61.3 million that was moved to layer 2. And again, it's basically creating that massive speculation that people really want because they want to create popularity, they want to create interest, and you're having that speculation for the GameStop NFT marketplace here, which this overall 61.3 million was worth about $164 million on the Loopring exchange, right? So that's huge in itself, just understanding that big of an impact there. So this all ties into the overall situation where in October 2021, there basically was a job listing for hiring people that were interested or that had experience in Ethereum layer 2 solutions, which all ties to the GameStop Loopring merger or partnership, basically, right? So this is what is all interesting here. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat everything and say that this is going to happen. It's just all roads lead to one area, and it's that partnership. It's that GameStop NFT marketplace. It's all leading towards there. So when I think of this, I'm like, all right, well, if that is true, we can see a ton of popularity in this based off of just the GME, the ape community. People that are holding or hodling this position will now start to hodl LRC coins. Now, will it still make a move backwards? Probably, because you have large holders that can make negative moves towards or in that position. So that's what we're obviously looking for. But obviously, with every single step of the way, just like I said in the beginning of this video, I hope I did, because again, there were like so many takes, so they're all blending together. Basically, I'm investing at every single point that I possibly can. So whether it's at the high, midpoint, low point, wherever it is, I want to put more and more money into it because I do believe in where this can go, where it actually stands at the price it stands, because where the price it stands, it can go a lot higher with only 1.3 billion in circulating supply, right? So that's my opinion of Loopring. You let me know what you think. I'm done recording these videos. Let me know if you like this one. I feel like it was all over the place because I didn't lose all passion, but the passion that I showed in the first 2 cuts just really was amazing. And the last one that I did, I thought was like top notch. It was the best one. I was ready to upload it. It didn't work out because it didn't have any of the stuff that I wanted. But anyways, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I can give you my opinion, and I believe that this is going to make a move in the next, in the next year or so. In 2022, I think this is a point to where if you're not in it, I think people are going to wish that they were in it. So that's a bold statement. But remember, all of this is not financial advice. It's merely just my opinion, but I truly do believe it. And yeah, we can go from there. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys take some time to check out my Twitch. Also check out my Matt Reacts channel, my MP Shorts channel. I want to do more updates on all these coins, but I can't because I would do like 50 videos and I don't want to put 50 videos on this channel. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.